Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at your Siemens dishwasher displaying that frustrating error code E15, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what this code means, why it's happening, and how to fix it quickly and safely. Let's dive in. First off, error code E15 on your Siemens dishwasher usually signals an issue with the water inlet system. Specifically, it often means there's a problem with water flow, like the machine isn't getting enough water or there's a blockage preventing it from filling up properly. This is a common error in 2025 models, but don't panic, it's usually straightforward to resolve. So, what causes this? The main culprits include a clogged inlet filter, low water pressure from your home's supply, a kinked or blocked hose, or even a malfunctioning inlet valve. Sometimes, it's as simple as a temporary glitch in the dishwasher's sensors. If you've recently moved your appliance or had plumbing work done, that could be a factor too. Now, let's get to the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher from the power source and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check the inlet filter. It's usually located at the bottom of the machine or near the water connection. Remove any debris, rinse it under water, and put it back. Next, inspect the water inlet hose for kinks or blockages, and make sure it's securely connected. If that doesn't work, reset your dishwasher by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds or following your model's reset procedure in the manual. For more persistent issues, you might need to check the water pressure. Aim for at least 0.5 bars. If you're handy, test the inlet valve with a multimeter. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Remember, if you're not comfortable with these steps, call a professional to avoid any risks. Always refer to your Siemens user manual for model-specific advice. There you have it, a simple guide to fixing error code E15 on your Siemens dishwasher. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.